So this is the first ever Clean With Me video on my channel. So you guys let me know if you do enjoy videos like this. Let me know what you prefer to see cleaning or whatever the case may be. Do you guys like decluttering makeup, decluttering rooms, closets? Let me know in the comments down below. So basically this is the cleanup of the holidays for us. We normally take down our Christmas tree and lights and everything around the 17th of January. Between that week, sometimes we get it earlier, sometimes we don't, but it's around the week of the 17th we try to get that done. First I like to start off with lighting a candle so the house smells extremely fresh, and I also like playing music as well if I can, depending if my dad is working from home or not. But first things first, we're gonna start basically in the front room. As soon as you walk in, there's where we normally have our Christmas tree, so a lot of the lights, a lot of the decorations are going to be in this area. Now I didn't film when we were taking on the Christmas tree, which I regretted doing, but this is pretty much the Christmas trees which is in that box. But this is just us just putting it all together, well, me just putting it all together back in the right boxes where it's supposed to be, and just getting ready to put it up in the attic.
Yo, yeah, it's a great day, about to be a nice night. No clouds, might rock the white Nikes. My homie got a flush and got him for the right price. Growing up, I just wanted to be like Mike. So it's only Jordans I sported when I couldn't afford them. Had my pops give me Iversons. Cross you on the court like I was him. Jumping out the gym, only 5'10". Nowadays, hot tops and Supras. Step on my shoes, bruh, I got to shoot ya. Two stepping in my blue suede. Got the juice, bro, clean them with a toothbrush. Damn, Carly, that's too much. I know, but what a feeling to get something custom made, it's one in a million. The inside of the soul got a gold feeling. So even when the road is hard, I don't feel it. Papa got a brand new.
This is pretty much me just packing up all my Christmas decorations that I purchased on sale from Walmart after the holidays, because I plan on moving out to 2020 this year. So I pray that, you know, it works out and everything fall into place. And that's pretty much my Christmas stuff that I'm just wrapping up in the bag, so that way when I'm moving out, I know which one is mine versus my family's own.
Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Hopping off the roof, got no pair of shoes. Yup, my kick's clean. Cha-ching, yup, my kick's clean. My feet in your dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. My feet in your dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. It ain't all about the kicks, it's the steps that you take. The wear and tear is real when you can't catch a break. Most will make mistakes and accept that it's fate, but we can change our ways and learn to live for the day. Hey, hopping out of bed and by my lonely.
This is just me packing up stuff as well from when I came back from New York. So it was all within that time frame that I pretty much unpacked in front there. So I had leftover clothes I'm just putting away, which my mom probably yelled at me for every single day.
So original, you couldn't clone me. And my whole crew savage. Thought we would fall off.
Now, just to give you guys a heads up, normally if I do take down the Christmas tree and vacuum after it, we normally like to take up the pins that hooks on the decorations to the tree. So you guys have to be very careful not to vacuum that up, because it could damage the vacuum. So that's what I'm clearly doing here. I leave all the green patches from the tree itself on the ground, but the hooks that keeps the ornaments onto the tree I normally take up.
Collection of classics. Baby mama trippin' said I got some bad habits. Maxing credit cards in the name of fashion. Rocking everything from Air Walks to Air Maxes. You'll learn it in time. Every shoe is different, ain't no perfect design. It costs a lot to have this and it's worth it to shine, but what's on the inside counts. I've been working on mine. Used to wallow about what I ain't got. Waited for the other shoe to drop, but who would've thought you grew the way you got? Putting pep in your step, little swagger in your walk. It's how you wear it, homie, it don't matter what the cost, cause even the broke people look fly in New York. But shout out to my pops, giving me that feeling of opening my first sneaker box, like, oh man. I remember it was the I3s, the Iversons. I was playing AAU. I opened that box, I couldn't believe it. It was like that new car smell, you know? And I was afraid to put them on, man. But as soon as I did, I was walking on clouds. Thanks, Papa. I'm feeling so refreshed. I just got the new chain. What be what's current. You could be the new way. I'm living it up and I'm spending my bread.
I'm not sure what spray you guys use for your wood, but we pretty much use this spray that we found at Walmart for years. There was the other spray that we used to use that we love that give the wood a natural shine, but I'm not sure where it is. But this one seems to get the work done. If you guys know any other sprays that works well on wood and just to shine and clean wood surfaces, let us know as well. Now we're going on to the TV room. This is where we normally collect our mail. Sometimes I film and edit videos in this area, so this is just literally me packing up all my junk from India. We also like to just relax in this area to watch TV when we come home from work. So you'll see my cup is there, my headphones from the gym is there, my sneakers is there on the ground, my pants that my mom hem is right on the chair. It's just a whole hot mess sometimes.
Yo, yeah, it's a great day, about to be a nice night. No clouds, might rock the white Nikes. My homie got a flush and got him for the right price. Growing up, I just wanted to be like Mike. So it's only Jordans I sported when I couldn't afford them. Had my pops give me Iversons. Cross you on the court like I was him. Jumping out the gym, only 5'10". Nowadays, hot tops and Supras. Step on my.
After doing laundry, my mom just loves to sit in that area and fold all the towels and whatever else that we need to put away. So she normally washes it and then folds it, leave it there, and then one of us will take it up and put it away.
Stepping in my blow sway, got the juice, bro. Clean them with a toothbrush. Damn, Collie, that's too much. I know, but what a feeling to get something custom made. It's one in a million. The inside of the soul got a gold feeling. So even when the road is hard, I don't feel it. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Hopping off the roof, got no parachute.
That night was pretty cool, so I opened that front door in order to get some cool breeze in. It felt so good. It wasn't too cold, but it was just enough.
Yup, my kick's clean. Cha-ching. Yup, my kick's clean. My feet in your dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. My feet in your dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. It ain't all about the kicks, it's the steps that you take. The wear and tear is real when you can't catch a break. Most will make mistakes and accept that it's fate. But we can change our ways and learn to live for the day. Hey, hopping out of bed and by my lonely. So original, you couldn't clone me. And my whole crew savage. Thought we would fall off, peep the New Balance. Too stylish, got a collection of classics. Baby mama trippin' said I got some bad habits. Maxing, credit cards in the name of fashion. Rocking everything from Air Walks to Air Maxes. You'll learn it in time. Every shoe is different, ain't no perfect design. It costs a lot to have this and it's worth it to shine. But what's on the inside counts, I've been working on mine.
Also, this is the Hoover vacuum that we've been using. My mom isn't too happy with this vacuum, so let me know in the comments below if you guys know of a really good vacuum that works on both carpet, wood, and tiles that you can interchange. I thought this was a really good vacuum, but my mom is just really not happy with it. I don't know why. It seemed to be working fine with me, but she's just not a fan of this vacuum. So like I said, any vacuums that you guys suggest or recommend, let me know in the comments down below.
What I ain't got. Waited for the other shoe to drop. But who would have thought you grew the way you got? Putting pep in your step, little swagger in your walk. It's how you wear it, homie. It don't matter what the cost. Cause even the broke people look fly in New York. But shout out to my pops giving me that feeling of opening my first sneaker box.
Welcome back, guys. So this is part 2 of the first video that I was doing. It'll be like one video though because I'm gonna mesh it in. But normally if I can't get to clean starting in the morning, I normally don't finish throughout the day. It's normally my mom and I that do clean the whole house, and sometimes my sisters do join in. But it normally takes 2 of us to clean the house and get rid of what we don't need, because we always spring cleaning because we collect so much stuff. So it's just me alone. So I did 2 rooms, and now I'm gonna do the other 2 rooms today is what you're gonna see me doing. So I do apologize that it's not a full day, but the video is gonna seem like a full day because I'm gonna mesh them 2 together. So a cleaning session won't be right if a candle isn't lit and music isn't playing and we're about to just zoom through this whole video. Okay, so I hope you guys do enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like videos like these, and let me know, because I have my room to be cleaning, I have the bathroom to be cleaning. I just clean a lot because we constantly get yelled at living at home with our parents. Okay,
I was walking on clouds. Thanks, Papa. I'm feeling sorry.
Okay, so this is day 2 of cleaning the house, and this is just the area where we normally like to keep our snacks and everything else in. This is normally the area too that if we have guests over, we like to have dinner or lunch or whatever the case may be on this table.
I just got the new chain.
A lot of this area here is also where we stored our outside decorations for Christmas that my dad just put in the corner to make it look a little bit neater. And we also have like the tablecloths, the linens, different ornaments in that corner as well that you'll see me eventually getting rid of.
You could be the new way. I'm living it up, I'm spending my bread. I never gave up, I pick up my head. Wings on when I fly off that ledge. Even when the road is hard, I don't feel it. I'm living it up, I'm spending my bread. Wings on when I fly off that ledge. Even when the road is hard, I don't feel it. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Hopping off the roof, got no parachute. My kick's clean. Cha-ching. Yup, my kick's clean. My feet in no dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. My feet in no dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean.
After a while, you could clearly see my dad was feeling sorry for me, so he just helped for like 2 seconds to put everything in back in the attic. He was pretty much laughing at me because I purchased stuff for my house when I when I eventually moved out. But hey, it is what it is. You gotta think ahead.
Yo, yeah. It's a great day, about to be a nice night. No clouds, might rock the white Nikes. My homie got a flush and got him for the right price. Growing up, I just wanted to be like Mike. So it's only Jordans I sported when I couldn't afford them. Had my pops give me Iversons. Cross you on the court like I was him. Jumping out the gym, only 5'10". Nowadays, hot tops and Supras. Step on my shows, bruh, I got to shoot ya. Two stepping in my blow sway. Got the juice, bro. Clean them with a toothbrush. Damn, Carly, that's too much. I know, but what a feeling to get something custom made. It's one.
Okay, last but surely least, the worst part of the house, well, the part that I don't like cleaning is the kitchen, because the kitchen just have so much stuff in there. We have snacks on the table. We have bags in the table area where we normally eat our snacks really quickly. It's just a lot goes on in the kitchen that I just want to throw away everything, but I know I get yelled at if I do throw away stuff. So that's why I love my mom to be home with me, to be like, okay, don't throw away this, throw away that, throw away this, keep that. And you get the gist.
1 in a million, the inside of the soul got a gold feeling. So even when the road is hard, I don't feel it. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Papa got a brand new pair of shoes. Hopping off the roof, got no parachute. Yup, my kick's clean. Cha-ching. Yup, my kick's clean. My feet in no dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. My feet in no dash, don't get mad. My kick's clean. It ain't all about the kicks, it's the steps that you take. The wear and tear is real when you can't catch a break.
We didn't have too much wares in the sink, so which was amazing. So I just washed up the few wares that were in there, which is pretty much my wares. And that was pretty much it for the day, guys. I was really tired. I did the floors and everything beforehand. Well, my mom did the floors and everything 3 days ago, so I didn't have to do it over. It's just the wares and the table that pretty much needed to be done. Okay, guys, so that pretty much concludes the cleaning of the house. I know it wasn't fully in-depth. This is my first time doing these type of videos, so let me know if you guys do enjoy it, and also let me know if you guys want to see a deep cleaning of the whole house. Normally I do that alongside my mom because there's just so much stuff that I just want to throw out all of it, so I normally have her there to guide me and tell me what to throw out and what not to throw out. But besides that, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Thumbs up if you do like more videos like this. Also let me know if you have any recommendations on how to clean certain parts of the house that you saw me cleaning that wasn't the best. So I'm open to all different ideas and thoughts and opinions, so let me hear down below in the comment section. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in the other cleaning the house video. Yeah, peace.